Does anyone know what samples and ticks are?
You know, who'll know?
Tell us, Mr. Audio. Most digital audio workstations that handle both audio and MIDI use two types of time bases, samples and ticks. A sample is a function of time. The length of a sample is the reciprocal of the session's sample rate. For example, the sample length could be 144,100th or 148,000th of a second, or even smaller depending on the sample rate. The higher the sample rate, the smaller the sample. Most audio files are measured in samples since they're recorded that way. With MIDI files, it's more helpful to relate them to the tempo, as opposed to a fixed unit of time like a sample. So MIDI files generally use ticks as a time base. A tick is 1/960th of a beat. Since a tick is usually much larger than a sample, each tick is not as time accurate as a sample. But a tick time base does have certain advantages. For example, if the tempo changes during the session, the tick-based MIDI tracks will all conform to the new tempo map, which is very helpful. With some digital audio workstations, it's possible to change the time base of audio tracks from samples to ticks. Then, like MIDI tracks, the audio track will speed up or slow down when the tempo is changed.
Thanks, Mr. Audio.
For more interesting facts about sound, visit Mr. Audio at soundimages.com.